For the continuation, section 9. Private property shall not be taken for public use without just compensation. The state shall ensure that owners of real property acquired for national government ins infrastructure ay insprang owners of for national government projects are promptly paid just compensation. Then section 10, no law impairing the obligations of country shall be passed. No person shall be deprived of the law, life, liberty, property without all process of law, nor shall any persons be deprived the equal protections of the laws. Then section 11, free access to the courts and quasi judicial bodies and adequate legal assistance shall not be denied to any persons by persons of poverty. All Filipinos, regardless of economics standby, are entitled to recourse receive through the justice system a reverse. Then section 12, any persons under investigations for the commissions of any offense shall shall have the right to be informed of his rights to remain silent and have to accompany an evident counsel, preferably of his own choice. If the persons cannot be afford the services of the council, he must be provided with one. These rights cannot be waived except in writing and the presence of counsel. Any confessions of or admissions obtained on violations of this thereof shall be inadmissible and evidence against him. In section 13, all persons except those charged with expenses punishments by reclusions perpetua when evidence or guilty is strong shall before convictions be liable by sufficient. In section 14, no person shall be held to answer for a criminal offense without due process of law. The state has the right to declare what acts criminals within certain well-defined limitations, and also rights to specify what acts shall constitute. Then section 15, the privilege of the privilege of the serial shall not be suspended except in those of which rebellion when the public safety requires it. An explanation is the state shall protect and promote the right to, to health of the people and instill health consciousness among them. In section 16, all persons shall have the right to speedy position of their cases before all quasi-judicial or administrative bodies. The state shall protect and advance the right of the people to balance and healthy ecology in accordance with the right. Section 17, no person shall be completed to be a witness against himself. The right is not only available in criminal prosecutions but also in all other compensation procedures including civil actions and administrative or legislative inclusion. Then Section 18, no person shall be detained solely by person of his political belief and aspiration. The state the state affairs labor as primary social economic for it and shall also promote the rights of the workers and laborers. Then Section 19, the excessive fines shall not be imposed nor civil degrading or inhuman punishment inflicted, and neither shall death penalty be imposed unless for compelling reasons involving you. Hence, yes. In Section 20, no person shall be imprisoned for debt or none of a poll tax used to accommodate children who are unable to live with their parents. Then Section 21, no person shall be twice act and tertiary of punishment for the same offense if an act is punished by law and an ordinance convictions of acquaintance under the either shall constitute a bar to another prosecutions for the same act, means that when a person is charged with an offense and the case is terminated either by a change or convictions or any other manner. Then Section 22, no ex post facto law or bill of attainder shall be evicted. Then the state recognize and promote the rights of indigenous cultural community within the transfer of nationality and development. That's all, sir.